I made $100,000 in 3 months with YouTube Shorts without showing your face. You might think it's impossible, but I'm going to prove to you that it can be done. YouTube Shorts have become one of the best ways to make money online right now, and it's even better than making long videos. Making long videos is time-consuming and expensive. You have to spend hours to prepare an 8 to 10 minute piece of content, but shorts are usually only 20 to 50 seconds long, and the number of views you can get is 10 times higher. While the earnings of long videos seem higher, the truth is that with shorts you can easily attract millions of views and close the income gap. I have videos that have easily had over 50, 90, or even 150 million views. Believe it or not, these videos took me just a few minutes and managed to earn me thousands of dollars through AdSense alone. Such results are rarely possible with long videos, as producing long videos requires more skills and is harder to monetize. If you haven't started yet, create a short and upload it to YouTube today. Believe me, you too can earn thousands of dollars with just a few simple clicks. The world is waiting for your creations. Now that you understand how simple and profitable shorts can be, it's time to look at a practical example. To do this, you can log into ChatGPT and use it to sketch ideas and even generate images. For example, one of my creative ideas is to create a video titled "Little Bunny Floating in a Heavy Rainstorm." Then ChatGPT starts generating image prompts. Now guys, go to Mimic PC. The link to the site is in the video description, and increase your creativity with Mimic PC. Have you ever thought about being able to use the power of AI without the need for expensive and complex hardware? Mimic PC makes it possible for you, a cloud-based platform that offers an unparalleled experience for creating AI-based images, videos, and sounds with advanced tools and resources. Run powerful tools like Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, Face Fusion, and RVC directly in your browser. Custom LoRa models and more, produce natural sound, and enjoy exciting features like face swapping and creative design. This platform is designed with the aim of increasing the creativity of creators, protecting their original content, and simplifying the creative process. With Mimic PC, you no longer need advanced hardware. All you need is a browser and your creativity. Run all the advanced AI tools directly in your browser without the need to install software. Easily apply custom LoRa models to your creative projects exactly as you need them. Use advanced tools like WebUI Forge, AudioCraft, and Face Fusion to create professional images, videos, and audio. Guys, to get started, log into the Mimic PC homepage and then go to the AI Tools beta section. This is exactly where all the creative AI tools are available to you. Now copy the prompts you have prepared in ChatGPT one by one and paste them into the special field. After inserting the prompt, you can change various settings such as image size, AI model, and other details to your liking. The best part? You can create high-quality photos that exactly match your mental ideas. I can confidently say that this site is one of the best AI platforms I have ever seen. With Mimic PC, there are no limits to your creativity. So what are you waiting for? Log in now and experience a new world of creating stunning images, videos, and sounds. Guys, now check out the photos that Mimic PC has prepared. They are truly amazing. The quality of these photos is very high and exactly what I had in mind. Now it's your turn. Go and try this amazing tool. Believe me, the experience you will get will amaze you as much as I did. Now it's time to turn the stunning photos you've taken with Mimic PC into professional videos. Go to the Mimic PC homepage and enter the AI Tools beta section. Then select the Image to Video option. Upload the photos you've prepared one by one. Now copy the relevant prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the special section. Repeat this process for all the photos and prompts. Just like that, Mimic PC will turn your images into professional and smooth videos, as if a large content production studio was behind it. Guys, you can completely transform your YouTube and social media world by purchasing one of Mimic PC's monthly packages. This site does 99% of the work for you. From creating images and videos to creating audio and even customizing AI models, everything is done with amazing speed and quality. It's truly amazing. You don't have to spend hours or pay a fortune for complicated software. Just choose one of Mimic PC's packages and see how everything becomes easier and more professional. For easier access, the link to the site is in the video description. You can also join the platform's Discord and benefit from support, tutorials, and a community of creators and makers. Don't miss out. Get started now and reach a new level of creativity and success with the help of Mimic PC. Okay guys, now it's time to edit your video. This is where the real magic happens and your creativity shines. Get ready to take everything you've done so far and turn it into a masterpiece. Let's dive right in. Start by importing all the videos you've created with Mimic PC into CapCut. If you haven't used CapCut before, let me tell you, it's an absolute game changer. It's one of the most user-friendly and powerful tools for creators, whether you're a beginner or a pro. First, drag and drop all your videos into CapCut. Make sure they're in the correct order that you planned. Once they're imported, Open the main editing window. Resize your videos for YouTube Shorts. Now that you've imported your videos, it's time to resize them to fit the YouTube Shorts format. Shorts are vertical, so set the aspect ratio to 9:16. If your videos don't fill the frame completely, don't worry. Just zoom in a little to make sure they fit perfectly. Double-check the framing to make sure nothing important is cut out of the video. You want your footage to be sharp, clean, and in focus. Drag and drop each video into its appropriate place on the timeline. Use CapCut's Cut and Trim tool to remove any extra or unnecessary parts. The goal is to keep the video short, fast, and engaging. Every second counts. Check the flow between each clip. Make sure the transitions are smooth and the video feels cohesive. Your video really comes alive with the right background music. Music sets the mood and energy of the entire video, so choose wisely. Choose a song that is catchy, upbeat, and matches the mood of your video. Whether it's fun and energetic or calm and inspiring, the right music can make all the difference. Import music into CapCut and sync it with your video. Adjust the volume so that the music complements the visuals without overpowering them. Now for the fun part, effects. This is where your video can really stand out. Go to the Effects section in CapCut and explore the available options. Add effects that match the theme of your video. For example, use glowing effects for a magical feel or dynamic effects for something action-packed. Don't forget to preview the effects and how they will look in your video. You want them to enhance, not distract. To make your video even more professional and engaging, use animations and transitions. Add transition effects between clips to connect them seamlessly. Simple fades or slides can work wonders. Use text animations to emphasize key points in your video. For example, if you're explaining something, add bold animated text that grabs attention. Keep animations consistent and clean. This helps maintain a polished look. Before you finish, it's essential to review your entire video from start to finish. Watch the video to make sure it flows smoothly and there are no awkward cuts or glitches. Check for anything that doesn't look right, whether it's the timing, transitions, or music. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to fix it. Editing is all about fine-tuning. Don't overdo the effects. While effects can make your video more exciting, too many of them can be boring. Keep it balanced and professional. Add a personal touch. If possible, add your voice too. Hearing your voice can create a stronger connection with your audience. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export your video. Make sure to export at the highest quality, 1080p or higher, so that your content looks sharp on any platform. Double-check the audio and video sync before hitting export. Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I hope you found this tutorial useful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video to show your support. Subscribe to the channel to get more amazing tutorials and ideas. Share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. This is just the beginning. I will continue to bring you the best tools, tricks, and ideas, especially from the world of AI. Now let's watch the final result, the moment of truth. Watch the video we made together and let me know what you think. And until next time, guys, be creative, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.